Hello students, right here again today, section 14.2 notes, solution concentration. So we're going to want to describe objectives, describe concentration using different units, determine the concentrations of solutions, and calculate the molarity of a solution. Main idea, concentration can be expressed in terms of percent or in terms of moles. Now the review vocabulary, we got solvent is a substance that dissolves a solute to form a solution. And for new vocab terms you're going to need to know. So concentration, measure how much solute is dissolved in a specific amount of solvent or solution. In very general terms, we can describe concentration as concentrated or dilute. Some of the ways we're going to figure concentration ratios listed in this table. Make sure you add this to your notes. We've got percent by mass, percent by volume, molarity, molality, and mole fraction. Some of these we will use a lot more than others as we continue on in the unit, but all of them will be used from time to time. So percent by mass, mass of solute, divided by mass of solution. As I have on most things we do, the times 100 part here, I won't be using as part of our formula, so I just do this and then express it as a percent. Percent by volume, percent by mass, very similar things. Two of them you need to remember. Molarity, one we will use a lot over and over, number of moles of solute per liter of solution. One is given here. A little dilution equation, M1V1 equals M2V2, molarity times volume equals molarity times volume. Molality, moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. Molality, as we do some coagulative properties, will become very important, but molarity is used a lot more in just expressing concentration of a solution. Mole fraction, one we don't use a lot of, discuss here a little bit, ratio total number of moles of solute to total number of moles of solute and solvent. What we got here. As we go in class, we will look at a lot of work on problems on dealing with this using these formulas to do some calculations. So, not a quantitative. Remember, quantitative has to deal with numbers, and that's dilute. Dilute or concentrated, qualitative. All these other ones would be quantitative. And molarity, just our definition here. Other ones have different definitions. So, quick overview of section 14.2. So that's all for now. Until next time, strike.